Hello everyone. Okay, today I'll be taking a look at this product called BeBird M9 Pro. This is a smart visual ear cleaning rod. Okay, something that you can use to clean the ears. Okay, so let's take a look at what's inside the box first. Okay, so this is the ear cleaning rod. Okay, so you can charge it by plugging it into the USB. Okay, so this is the rod itself. If you plug it out, the light turns on, then this means it's turned on. You are ready to connect it to your mobile phone. Okay. And yeah, if you open this, you can see there's a range of things: soft cotton bud, some round flat one, all this. So if any of them spoil, you can just replace it. Okay. Okay. So yeah. So if you want to charge, you just put this back. And let's take a look at all this. So there's some instruction manual. Okay, it's in English. Okay, yeah, so this is the silver needle goose really rod. Okay, so there's a few type over here. Not exactly sure how is it being used for. I suppose this is the cotton bud. Okay, yep, nothing more. Okay, so let's take a look at the app itself. Okay, so the app itself is called BeBird. You can download from the Google Play Store. So how do we connect? So first, we take this pen out, take the rod out, then we open the cap, then we head over to our Wi-Fi connection. Okay, then you can select BeBird. Okay, so it should connect. Okay, so the app should connect by itself. Then you launch the app. Okay, so you select the type of ear cleaning rod that you have. So well, it appears that they have quite a number of product. So ours is M9 Pro. Okay, so they ask you for permission. Okay, next step, start using. Okay, so over here, right, it shows you the remaining battery and what's the estimated time remaining. Okay, so just click start and start use. Okay, you can press this to display the app in horizontal. Okay, show the left or right ear. Okay, you can take a photo. Okay, whatever. Let me put this into my ear. Okay. Okay. Okay, so this is how it looks like in my ear. Wow, my ear is quite dirty. Okay. So you can also toggle between left or right ear, depending on how you think that it looks correct. There's also a wide or focus lens. So focus lens give a slightly more narrow view. This one has a more wider view. Okay. Uh, sorry. You can choose to take a photo, or you can also take a video of what's inside your ear. So you see, I took out something already. So it's actually so small. Okay, so once you press image, okay, you can see the photos that you have taken, or you can see the videos that you have taken. Okay. I mean, overall, my experience of using is for example, like you see over here, right? I can't really see. Okay, let me record this. Okay. I can't really see what's on the screen now. Okay, it's still mostly based on my feel. Okay, because like you see, for example, this part, I cannot see anything at all. Okay, okay, then those that I can see, it still mainly depends on my feel, but I can at least see a general condition. Okay, so for example, you see now, the camera looks very blur and distorted, right? It's probably because there's they over here this camera, right? Some of the earwax got inside. Okay, so I need to pour it out also. Okay, but overall I do kind of like this thing, and this is rather cheap also. But it's just that this camera function is only, it's quite gimmicky lah. So it's only good for use for a few times. Okay, I wouldn't depend on it most of the time. Okay, so this plastic stick over here, right, is also not the most solid thing to use. Okay, it's rather quite flimsy, so I rather use those metal type. Okay, so yeah, which makes it more comfortable and easier for me to dig my earwax. Okay, see, it's quite flimsy. Okay, but yeah, so this thing costs rather cheap, so I would say that it's a rather good thing to get. Yeah, yeah, I can feel free if you have the money, why not, you can just splurge and just buy and get one to experience and see what's inside your ear. Yeah, it could be fun.